Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, west central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hollywood Beach to Church Hill to near Grassonville to Deal, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Easton, Centerville, Talbot, Smyrna, Milford, Denton, Centerville, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, Federalsburg, Bridgeville, Greensboro, Ogle, Ridgely, Cheswell, Trapp, and St. Michael's. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
In college, and I do think that there are so many people in positions of power. If they actually all colluded and said, you know what, humanity is getting a little bit, we're not sleeping, we're